Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long time. I haven't posted any video since then, so I'm back with another exciting new video, which I'm gonna use alcohol based markers, which are the company of Ohu. So I'm gonna use these in my artwork today, so I really hope you guys will like it. So let's get started. So for the artwork that I'm doing in this video is Colorful Flowers, which I did by my own, and it's really beautiful. I hope so. Like, it took a lot of time in doing this, so I really hope you like it. And I'm basically doing a lot of like blending in this paint, in this drawing. So yeah, so I'm using a blender, alcohol blender, to blend these two colors together so it would be nice. So first one I did like pink and purple. The second one I did is dark blue and light blue stripes one, and the third one which I'm doing is like a bright orange, like a red and orange one, and I'm blending them basically with that orange only. Whenever you're using alcohol based markers, you should always put something underneath it. So I have put a cardboard, so the stains would not come there to the other page, because alcohol markers are like so stainable, so you should always put something under the paper. So on this flower I am doing light shade of yellow plus dark shade of yellow and blending them. So this whole flowers are like blended ones with different colors. So yeah, this flower which I'm doing here is light purple and dark purple. The next flower is dark blue one with light blue of the same color. So this flower is personally my favorite one because it looks really good when it's blended with like that. So it kind of gives me oceany look, ocean vibes like. So yeah, the next one is orange and bright red, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, it's red and orange one which I'm doing, and then at the side I'm doing like kind of like sea green color one and dark green one. And the next one which I'm doing is kind of like maroon color and light color. Like, I'm using the same color, but I'm layering up onto the top to make it like kind of darker if I don't have any option to put another color. So this one I'm doing kind of odd. It turned out really odd. I didn't expect that to be like that. It's kind of like light pink and then purple and then blue. Like, it doesn't match really much. And the next one flower which is green and dark green kind of, so it's like green flower. And the next one that I'm doing here is brown one, kind of making it realistic in the middle of the petals, like brightness I'm giving. And then the next one I'm doing again green. Kind of looks like leaves, but it's a flower. And I also filled their middle ones different colored. And now I'm moving on with the leaves. So I'm doing like different shades of green with the leaves and putting it all across the flowers. I added dark green, light green, and normal green. I know it had ended really quick at the end of the video, so here I have shared some pictures of the final artwork that I did. I really hope you guys will like it.